Friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you how to make a birthday cap with this orange color A4 size sheet paper. So let's start. We will fold this sheet into half and make a shape like this. Look, we'll make the shape of a cap and we will paste it from here. I am applying some glue here and will paste here, so it will turn out to in the shape of a cap. So I am pasting it. Okay, now it is dried and it's ready. Look, it's ready. I have pasted it from the back side. I have also stapled it from here to do the proper setting and paste it by applying glue. It's dried now. Now we'll start decorating our cap. For this I have these pearl stickers. You can get these stickers from any stationery shop nearby. These type of pearl stickers. I am pasting these stickers on the borders of the cap. So I'll start it from here. And I will paste these stickers on this whole border. In this border. Okay, so I have pasted these pearl stickers on the border. Now again I am pasting and making one more border over it. Okay, so it will turn out like this. I have pasted one more layer of these pearl stickers. Now we'll decorate it more. For that I am using more decorative stickers. I have these kind of star stickers. You can get these stickers from any stationery shop. So I'll decorate my birthday cap with this, pasting it here. Look, I have pasted these stickers. And now one here. I have used this stamp roll-on to make these patterns on the birthday cap, and I have made this. Now I am writing here birthday boy. Okay. Now I'm using some more stamps to make it more funky and cool. I'm using this stamp. Make patterns like this. Now look how easy, beautiful birthday cap is ready. So friends, if you like my videos, please comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim for more such interesting and easy craft ideas. Stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye. Take care.